United Technology Center is a chance for students to gain real-life experiences in their careers of choice.
The purpose of UTC for me is to prepare kids for the real world and out in the field and all that stuff, getting them experience and shop and everything.
Here I can come and it's very interactive, it's very hands-on. It gives me a place where I can go and I can learn my way and I can really succeed on my own terms.
Located in Bangor, UTC is a sending location for many schools in the surrounding area.
This school is composed of teachers who all have first-hand knowledge in their field of expertise.
Their goal is to prepare the students for the real world, giving them a hands-on experience in an authentic work environment.
I am able to learn about something that I'm really passionate about, and I get to experience real-world situations in the culinary program, like our restaurant and our bakery.
The programs UTC offers are construction operations,
Diesel equipment,
small engines,
automotive,
auto body collision repair,
welding,
natural resources and outdoor recreation,
law enforcement,
plumbing and heating,
electrical,
carpentry,
business leadership,
emergency medical services,
medical assisting,
healthcare occupations, culinary arts,
and hospitality.
video and audio productions,
Digital arts and software,
pre-engineering,
CTE exploratory,
educator prep, electric vehicle technologies.
UTC also works with local businesses for internships and work studies so you can get paid while attending school.
UTC provides students with a chance of certification in many of their programs, which can give them a better chance to get started in the workforce.
Many credits gained through the completion of the UTC programs are able to be transferred for college credits.
I think the purpose of UTC is to get you ready for the real world.
This opportunity gives students the ability to save time and money while getting a head start on their college education. Visit our website for more information about college credits.
Please contact your school's counselor or UTC directly.
UTC is looking forward to meeting you and expanding your educational horizon.